Hey, good morning. We're live. We are live. Good morning, folks. Let's go. Let's get it. It's that time of day. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, John. Rhythmic with Abex is garbage. Everything locks up. You can't exit. No way, John. Don't tell me. That sucks. Just got my first payout approved today. MDK. Let's go. Payout approved. My payout was approved literally 15 minutes ago. 15 minutes ago, the payout has been approved. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great day, folks. Payout has been approved. Hallelujah. Good morning, Daryl. Good morning, NP. Good morning, Timbo. Soul Search Gurus. Good morning. Francis, good morning. Peter Schapp, good morning. Lawrence, good morning. We are back in the lab. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. Good morning, Nicholas. Let's go. But yeah, finally, after much breathing, much relaxing, payout has been approved. Let's go. Good morning, Brass Donkey. NP, good morning. Payout approval. Do you guys know what that means today? You know what that means? It means there will be the infamous duck race will be happening today. Don't let me forget. Duck race is in play today, folks. We got approved, and it is time to celebrate. I know it was only 6K, but hey, 6,000 is 6,000 in my world. I'm not complaining one bit. So now, also here, let me just show you the accounts. I forgot. Well, no, I take that back. I didn't forget. I didn't have time to do a recap video yesterday. I just literally did not have time. So we went up and watched the Guardians, and they won. They won against the Cubs 2-1, which was awesome. Or a new mower, a new set of golf clubs. I'm good. I don't need a new mower. I don't need new golf clubs. John, you are too funny. The baseball game was awesome. So the Guardians won 2-1. And so it was a low scoring game, and Noel hit no doubt about it, home run. I think it was in the 7th inning to take the lead. And then the bullpen closed everything down, and it was a great time. We had a lot of fun. It was my whole family, 2 kids, the wife. We all went up, and it was a great time. Definitely highly recommended. Hey, good morning, Amakre. Kraft, good morning. Vodkin, Lawrence, good morning. Matty Mac, good morning. Is the 150K eval still $40 and the activation fee for 85? Yes, it is. So as far right now, that sale is ending tonight, I think. Except you can still activate your PAs for $85 on the 150K and up until tomorrow midnight. But we'll see. You know, we all know Apex's habitual sale extenders. So we shall wait and see. But here you can see the $2,000 has been taken out of these accounts. And it's really, I will say, it is really, really nice to now still have $2,600, $2,300, and $2,300 in drawdown available on these accounts after taking the payout. So yeah, we're going to definitely be trading these accounts today. Actually, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to trade these accounts are good to go now. And then, the market is open. Let's go. I forgot I was in a trade there. I guess we're good. That's just an eval. Don't worry about it. And then we have, so yesterday on yesterday's I did trade these accounts. Like I said, I wasn't able to do a recap video. I just didn't have time, but I actually ended the day, I think I had 5 accounts. 5 accounts that I ended in green. So it was actually a pretty good day then yesterday for me. And including the streaming account, we also had the $300 in profit. So, and that is what we're going to trade. We're going to trade this account. This is the account we're going to trade, continue to trade on the streaming account. This is a 250K account, and we are trading two minis. I think I feel safe enough, I guess. The volatility, I feel like, has definitely slowed down a little bit to the point where I feel okay with trading 2 minis. So that's the plan. Thank you, Rad Poker. John should open a duck shop. I do not need a new mower, actually. Hey, good morning, Rosie Rose. Let's get it. The Cubbies didn't want to show off their skills. Well, I appreciated that. We did have a couple balls, so we sat in the right field bleachers right down by the wall. We did have a couple balls that got hit right to the warning track, but no home runs in our section, which was fine. It was still good. Hey, good morning. Go and Trades, good morning. Raul Martin, good morning. Perfect Play, good morning. Roger Sam, good morning. Trading Ever After, good morning. Let's get it, folks. I'm excited. It's going to be a great day. Got the payouts approved just before I went live. You love to see it. And I also passed a take profit eval this morning. Let's go. Hopefully start building some. My take profit accounts, I'm going to try to just take it very slow, trade them like my Apex accounts, and not look for these $5,000 days. I think that's been my problem. So I'm just going to take it slow. That took about 14 days to approve. Here's Johnny. That's right. 14 days. 14 days of breathing and relaxing. I wasn't worried. I mean, I wasn't worried that I wasn't going to be approved. I mean, I knew I didn't break any rules. It's you just got to exercise that patience muscle, you know? You just got to be patient. They have until the 15th. Technically, if you submit from the 1st through the 5th, they have until the 15th to approve or deny you. So there's no reason to get anxious yet. All right, we're pulling back, pulling back to the 19100s here. What are we going to do? Darrell is in the pool. Yes, my money. Yes, Trades. The money has been taken out of the accounts. Yes, indeed. All right, we are pulling back hard here now, folks. Interesting. She is pulling back hard. And getting a bounce here off the 1990s. Wow, getting a nice bounce here. I'm definitely not looking to trade until after this. Basically, after 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock, I feel safe. Volatility dies down, and hopefully we'll kind of pick a direction. I am really hoping that we continue on this uptrend. Yesterday, man, that was a pretty bullish uptrending day there. Pretty crazy. Let's see what we want to do today. Are we going to make a move lower? Or bounce off of here, off the VWAP? And rip it higher. Struggling to get above the 120s here. Hey, good morning, Carolina. Thank you, thank you. Never gives a good field trading error after the Apex trade copier. Yeah, I mean, I don't disagree. All right, let's see if we break above the 30s here. Hey, Michael Steinberg, good morning. Let's get that money. That's right. Let's get it. Man, this is an interesting area here. If we can't get above the 30s here, we might make another leg down. She might get ripped lower. We just can't seem to get above the 20s and hold it. All right, maybe it rips here. Hold on. Yes, we got the payout approved, Michael. Let's go. Party time. Party time in the nut house. Party time in the nut house. I trade in takes. The copier is so slow that it fills me after the trade. Yeah. I don't get out much. All right, market. Market, what you gonna do here? We're just chilling here. Feel like this is gonna break to the upside now. I feel like she's gonna rip it. Let's wait and see. And never mind, we're going lower. Hey, good morning, Mr. Pushup. Sergio, good morning. All right, looks like we want to go lower here. All right, here we go. Testing the lows here at the 85s. See if we rip through the 85s here. Okay, here we go. And down we go, down to the 70s. All right, here we go. Let's see how far she wants to rip this. All right, let's see if we get a bounce. Now we just wait. I mean, if we have a down day today, I might not trade. If we just keep going lower, I might not trade today because I'm scared. I was looking like this is the daily chart. The daily chart here, if we just, I mean, we came right up to the 100 EMA. Now, if we pull back, I don't know. I'm scared. Yep, down we go, down to the 50s. She wants to rip it. Man, this just looks like we're just going to melt down to the 19,000s maybe. Hey, good morning, Win. Speed Racer, good morning. Doug Chapman, good morning. Good morning, fellas. All right, maybe we get a bounce here off the 1950s. Looks like she wants to bounce. Hey, good morning, Rain 1980. Good morning. Good to see you. All right, here we go. Getting that bounce. Is it going to hold? right, now let's see if we make another leg lower here. Okay, we're definitely getting a bounce off the 50s now. See, I mean, we got to get, I mean, I'd love to see this get above, kind of above the 140s. I don't know. We got a long way to go before we're kind of in bullish territory. But I guess we'll see. I'm not opposed to taking some longs if we start making lower highs or higher lows, I guess. Still breathing and relaxing, Win. Yeah, I just Win. I just got approved this morning. Literally just this morning. So if I traded on the news today, Rain 1980, yeah, I tried. I tried to pass 250K evals on the news this morning. What a joke. What a joke this move was. It was impossible. It was impossible to get... yeah, I got chopped. I played a long and a short, and I lost on both accounts. Feels bad. But oh well. We tried. All right, let's see. Are we going to make stair step this way down? Kind of interested here to see. If we continue to go lower, then I'm just not interested. Down we go. There we go. See if we test the 50s. All right, here we go. 55s. Will the 50s hold? Okay, now we're trying to bounce again. All right, let's see. Let's see if we get down below the 50s, make new lows. It's going to look pretty bearish. Going to look pretty bearish. Maybe we want to come test the 19,000 level, I guess. Hey, Rob Morris, thank you. Felipe, Daniel, how we doing? One quick question about trading with Apex. Sometimes I trade 3, 4, 5 micros, but there's some with one mini and then again micros. That's totally fine, Daniel. That's totally fine. I honestly, that is kind of exactly like I trade. I trade So I trade anywhere from 4 to 5 micros to 2 minis. That's not a problem. Or I feel pretty confident seeing it. Let's go. Win just got approved as well. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, look at that. Okay, 50 break and new lows. So is she looking bearish? She looking bearish, folks. Uh-oh, design. You have to burn them all. Profit on one PA, but lost in eval. Yeah, Felipe, I would take that outcome. Housekeeping line 2. Let's go, Matty Matt. You can take max payout tomorrow, keep drawdown. Been a long road since April. Let's go, Matty Matt. That's awesome. Love to see it. Let's go. Today's a good day, man. All right. See, we get a move here. All right, let's see. Okay, kind of making a bounce, but we did make new lows. Ooh, and a big rejection off the 60s. Let's see if we make new lows. Come on, Bulls. I wanted you to participate today. Moving lower. There it goes, down to the 20s or 30s. Down to the 30s. Yes, Matty Matt. That's where Matty Matt, like, buy some evals or go to take profit or go to Top Step or wherever, but do something else so that you're not tempted to keep trading those. Hey, Stephen Cox with an approval as well. It definitely feels like Apex is doing their approvals as we speak, because I got mine approved right like early this morning. Lots of people saying they got approved now, which is good. That's good, good, good. As a kid in Catholic school, they did tell you to too much sex would make you blind. They will try everything. They need to fix their rhythmic BS. It's weird, John. Are you trading rhythmic with Ninja Trader? Because I haven't experienced any rhythmic issues. Have you tried to clear your data, John, and restart NinjaTrader? Because a lot of times that's the issue for me. For me anyway, when I'm having issues, then it's not actually rhythmic. It's my NinjaTrader that's actually causing issues. They all come in on the 14th and 15th. Yeah, it does seem that way. That's why we don't trade until they're approved. If they want to play the patience game, I will win. If money's on the line, Nutty Bar can be very, very patient. I will win every time. Was that on the news, John, maybe? But yeah, you get approved. I mean, last time I did an approval, I got approved on the 3rd. I think it was the 3rd or 4th day. So I don't know. It just depends. Yeah, Nutty Bars have a very long shelf stable life. Exactly. Let's go. Rich C was also approved. Yeah, I was on the news, John. Well, then that's probably more of the issue then. It's probably a rhythmic issue then. And it's just that's just what can happen when trading the news, like especially like this morning. This morning's news was ugly. Very ugly. I saw at one point the spread on NQ right at the news was 20 points. How was the Guardians game? Yep, it was great. Guardians won 2-1. Don't have that problem with take profit trader, but is that on Tradeovate or Rhythmic? Yeah, the spread was absolutely crazy, and it's almost impossible to pass evals when the spread is like that. All right, here we are at the 20s. See if we get a bounce here. All right, market just continuing to stair step this down. Looks like we're going lower. $19,000 is not far away. You would think we're going to go test that, but let's wait and see. All right, big move. Trying to get a bounce off the 1920s. The magic 20 level. Seems like the magic 20s. There's always, the 20s always do something. Why does Apex give you the option to reset canceled accounts? Does anything in base actually happen except for them taking a payment? Well, yeah, Mikey. So, Mikey, I've actually done that. So, okay, for example, let's say you buy a 150K eval, right? You try to pass it and it fails. So now you cancel excuse me. and now you cancel that account, even though that account is canceled, you can still reset that account and it will reset it, and you can try to pass that account up until the day that your rebilling cycle happens. So yeah, you can actually reset cancel accounts. Just be careful, don't reset a canceled accounts if the billing, if it cancels, because it doesn't officially cancel until the end of your 30 days when you bought it. So if you bought it the 1st, it's going to cancel on the 30th, 31st. So from in that time frame, even if you cancel it, you can still reset it and try to pass that account until the 31st. But obviously don't reset it on the 30th, because then you won't be able to pass it. It's going to cancel that account before you're able to pass it. How many people use the TradeAway version from Apex? I have no idea, John. I mean, I think quite a bit of people, but obviously I think way more use Rhythmic from what I understand. But hopefully that makes sense, Mikey. All right, are we going to stair step this down? You will give me good reviews on Trustpilot. Let's go. They should have a review for YouTube channels. That is actually a genius idea. Maybe that already exists, but they should have like a Trustpilot kind of thing for YouTube channels. That isn't that basically us as creators, we couldn't manipulate that data, because let's say someone has a YouTube channel and they're, whatever, and they're terrible. They can easily manipulate it to make it appear like they have a great channel. They'll just go through and automatically delete any negative comments. But if you would have like a Trustpilot review for influencers or YouTube channels, then people could give their honest opinion on it, and people could get a little better feel for that's not a terrible idea. It's actually not a terrible idea, Mikey. I will take full credit for that idea. All right, we are bouncing. It's the 20s. The 20s are a magic number. Every 20 feels like is always a magic level of some sorts. So let's see if we can get a move higher now. Got to see some continuation. See if we get a bounce. And we're getting that bounce. Here she goes. See if she wants to go or not. Yeah, this is just turning, or I'm not really that interested in this. I got an email to be some sort of beta thing that YouTube is doing. Oh, really? It's not for reviews though. Okay. Wow, look at that rip lower. All right, here we go. It looks like we are going to make a move lower. Hang on. All right, here we go. About to make new lows. It's some pilot. It will let you add helpful notes to the videos. Oh, I see. That's interesting. Try TradeV to eval. You can go log into both at the same time. Yeah, true. True go and trades. All right, are we going to make new lows here? You mean you would think we're going to go through this 19,000 level? Man, I just don't see any trades here. Unless I really want to be okay with going long or going short. Hmm. All right, let's see if we get through the 19,000 level. Volatility's definitely slowed down from when it was last week. Yeah, community notes for YouTube. I see. Yeah, that makes sense. I will say on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, I do like the community notes thing. Like that is actually helpful. That is actually helpful, and it does help to kind of call out some of the fake BS that you see. All right, market, what's it gonna be? The longer that we just hang around down here without making new lows, the more I think we're gonna maybe hold. Hey, there she goes down through the 19,000s. Here we go. Testing the 19,000s here, 1910s. Technically haven't gone through the 19,000s yet. There we go. 19,000s. There she goes. Now, will it hold? Maybe we just want to take that out. Now we can do our thing. Maybe. Hmm. Do you think the market's back to normal considering volatility? Oh, yeah. Maybe not normal, but it's definitely more normal than it was. Kind of forgot how normal looks like, but yeah, I would say so. Oh, no, Orlando. I'm sorry, man. No. All right, here we go. All the way down to the 75s, 76s. Big rip lower. She ripping, boys. Now I just don't really know that I want to take a trade here. I was not looking for a move lower this morning. Huh. Man, that break through the 1910s would have been a nice trade. Really nice trade. All right, there we go through the 70s. There we go through the 70s. Man, I don't know. This thing feels very heavy. The warehouse auto mattress literally had 2 more days to go. 300 away. Oh no, Orlando, that's painful. That's painful, man. I'm sorry. Daily pivot at 950. I have a pivot point here. Yeah, daily pivot at 950. Yep. Maybe I just feel like right now I'm at the feel like today is one of those days where I'm just looking to catch a V-shaped reversal, and I need to stop doing that. I cannot take those trades. As enticing as it is, that is where I have gotten burned the most in the last 4 weeks. And if we're in a downtrending channel like this, if I don't want to take shorts, that's okay, but I am not allowed to go long. That's just, it is what it is. Sell the news. I mean, I don't know that there's any kind of news here. I think it's just, market moving lower that I'm aware of. All right, getting a bounce. I didn't notice 19 of my 20 accounts in the trade copy flipped my positions, and I didn't notice until... Oh, Brandon. Oh, that is the worst. Yeah, that is something with a trade copier. You only make that mistake once where you realize, oh, yeah, you have to be so mindful when you're copy trading. Always have an open positions tab somewhere right in your view so that you can always tell if you're in a position that you don't mean to be in. News in 50. Oh, the crude oil news. Okay. Shouldn't be much news for NQ, or that shouldn't be a big factor. We are, what is today? Wednesday. Crude oil inventory is at 10:30. Also, pretty excited. I'm getting pretty excited. If I've heard of the Dick Boss indicator, no, I have not. I like the name though. Never ever catch a falling knife. Yeah, tell me about it. I know. I've tried. I have tried in the past. It's usually is not a great result. Usually it doesn't end well. I mean, if I was looking for shorts here, it would be great. It would be some great trades here, but I'm unfortunately not looking for shorts. The scars from catching falling knives never heal. True. True. It had traded 17 cons on a PA thinking it was an eval. Oh no. Takamura. Oh, that's so wrong. That is just wrong. Does your copier act funny when you trade micros? I don't get filled on my copied accounts at times. I mean, I don't really use the trade copier for micros because I don't copy trade my funded accounts. Only time I use the copy trader is for evals. And usually on evals, I don't trade micros, so I guess I'm not sure. All right, it looks like we're trying to make a bounce here, but still very bearish here. But yeah, guys, tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow is the day where we will enter our first ever golf tournament. Good times, man. I'm actually very excited. I'm very excited. I can't wait. I'm going to be so nervous. I'm going to be so nervous tomorrow hitting off that first tee box. Oh, man, it's going to be crazy. It is going to be crazy. I just don't want to shank it. Going up on that first tee box, everybody wants. I just don't want to shank it. I just want to hit. I don't even care if it's like in the fairway at this point. I just don't. I just want me to be able to hit it and find it. Be in play. Do I critique the golf course lawn? Yes, Shane, I actually do. I actually do. I always give, like, if I go to a golf course and my lawn is nicer than their fairways, we have a problem. We have a problem. Because that should not be the case. That should definitely not be the case. Okay, market trying to make a move higher. We touched the 19,000s. Let's see if we want to make a move higher. Maybe this is the move. Interesting. I'm not going to talk myself into going long here either. I am not doing it. Wow, look at that bounce. Right off the 970s. Now at the 19,000s. Just got to be patient here. Hey, Black Coffee in the house. How we doing? You know what, Black Coffee? You should go with me golfing tomorrow. You should go along as my caddy. For real. You're actually allowed. You're allowed to take a caddy with you. I'm trying to see maybe if someone wants to go be my caddy. That'd be fun. Go end trades. You can't shank a driver, can you? I mean, you'd be surprised what I'm not sure what you call it, but I've done something. I've done something with my driver I'm not supposed to. All I know is sometimes it don't go where it goes supposed to go. Oh, John, I would love for you to be my caddy, John. That would be awesome. You would probably just be, you would be sending me videos, and we'd just be watching YouTube videos that you have saved in your archives for every situation. You would caddy for me, but you're in Texas. Oh, we'd have a great, you would make a great caddy, John. I can only imagine. Oh, it's like never played golf, but we're going to caddy. All I need is someone to tell me that I'm like, I just need someone to calm me down. It's like, I'm not sure what is going to make me more nervous. Okay, so my tea time tomorrow morning, is 9:40. Okay, so 9:40 tomorrow morning is my tea time, but we're doing a shotgun start because of how many people. So I think in this Amish Open, there's 130 people playing. That's the last I heard. That might be even more now. But 130 people playing, and they're doing a shotgun start just to get us all, make sure we get all in one round. I'm not sure if it's shotgun start or if we're playing a certain amount of group is playing the front nine while the other tees off at the back nine. I'm not quite sure either way, but there are a couple holes on that course. If I tee off as my first tee and it's like the hole number 4, oh, it's not going to be pretty. Here, let me look. Let me look if I can find it. Oh yeah, here. So this hole right here is my this hole right here is the I absolutely hate this hole. So right here is where you tee off. Like this dirt is now a tee box, and it's 175 yards to the green right here. Okay? And you cannot, so you obviously, this here falls off like a lot. So if you miss short, you're out of bounds. It's done. And the back, if you miss long, it's also over. And and the green, everything hangs this way. So the green is just on a hill. And here you can see the tee box is right here. You got to shoot down, and the pin, the whole location is going to be right here. That is I really hope I don't start off on that hole. We might just go quad, we might go 5 over on the first hole if that's the case. Just put us right out of contention. Hey, Black Coffee, I'm being dead serious, Black Coffee. If you're actually serious about being my caddy, then I'll be in touch. I have another guy that hang on. Yeah, I will do black coffee. Will do. And that's 5 wood for you. Easy layup. Yeah, I honestly, I think if I play this, like if it depends how I'm playing tomorrow. Like if this is like my ninth hole and I'm playing really well, I'm hitting my irons very well. Like 175 is actually a really good, like it's a 7 iron for me. So if I'm feeling confident, I'm going to take a 7 iron and I'm just going to go for the green. Like right here. Like a 7 iron, I'm just going to go for center green. But if I'm not playing well, or this is like one of my first 2 holes to play, I'm literally going to take an 8 iron and we're going to just play for right. We're going to play and we're going to aim right here. I'm going to make sure I don't go long. And I'm just going to play for a bogey on this hole. Literally. I mean, if I have a shot there, I can possibly get it up and down for par, but a hole like that. So the other thing with this tournament, Matty Matt, yes, that's a 60-degree for you. You skull it. Well, I've done that too. Wow, look at this pullback now. This is one of those days where I need to be a more, how do you call it? Like a diversified trader. If I felt as confident taking short trades as I do long trades, I would be a better trader, I feel like. Maybe in the future. In the future, I want to work on trading short, trading long, and being confident in my setups equally. But so the other thing that this tournament is doing that is a little different. Okay, actually, I know we have some PGA Tour rules. Surely we have some PGA Tour rules guys here. Okay, for example, they are telling me that if you don't get off the tee box, for example, the whole location I just showed, if I hit one into the water, and if I decide to take a drop, I will take a drop and I am hitting 4 on my drop. Like, so basically you're getting penalized 2 penalty strokes if you don't get off the tee box and you take it to a drop zone. Is that actually how the PGA Tour works? Or you can decide to just tee off again and then you're hitting 3 off the tee box. So if you don't get off the tee box, you're basically getting penalized an additional stroke because they want you to hit it again off the tee, which is also still very dangerous because you can, if I hit my first shot and it goes in the water, I can choose to be hitting 4 on the drop area, or I can keep, tee off again and be hitting 3. So, okay. So I thought it depended on where it went, red, yellow, or white. I see. But yeah, that was the rules that we got yesterday. So it's going to be even more important to get off the tee box and hit it in bounds. So I really am like, that's where I kind of need a caddy, where I'm like, hey, playing it safe, because we all know, right? Like if you're playing Saturday golf with the buddies, there's no laying up, there's no playing smart course management. You just go for it. You go for the green, and you know what I mean? But this is different. Like I almost need to rethink. Like I need to play it smart. It's okay to just hit a layup. It's okay, like on that whole location. And if I'm not hitting it that great, just hit an 8-iron and get it in play is a better chance and a smarter play than trying to go for the pin and hit it out of bounds. You trade live on stream. This is no biggie. It's a good perspective to have, the Candle Whisperer. Now, if all of you guys were just standing behind me watching me trade, then I would probably feel different as well. But, oh, I'm telling you, man, if you're playing a casual round and the model local rule E5 is in effect, there is nothing stopping you from taking a drop at the fairway edge if your ball is lost or out of bounds. Okay, that's what I thought. Oh, I would love to have someone go along and video this tournament so I can upload it then. That would be so much fun, but still, it might be worth it if you want to trudge back to the tee and apply the traditional stroke and distance penalty procedure. And if you do go back, imagine seeing your next tee shot sail. Exactly. That's the thing. Like, if you decide to tee it off again, you hit it out of bounds again, you know, now you're either hitting, you know, what are you hitting? You're either hitting, I can't even do the math on it, but then you're in a really bad shape. If you do go back, imagine seeing your next tee shot sail. Yeah. Stroke and distance penalty procedure. Okay, so it's kind of where they if you don't get off the tee box, basically they're penalizing you for the distance and the penalty shot. That makes sense. I never heard it. I didn't have it explained to me like that, but that does make sense. Wow, look at this move, guys. We are at new lows through the 950s now. Pivot point right here. Again, honestly, these are some great setups for short trades. We got the big, this is some good setups. I'm not taking him. I'm not taking shorts today for, I question why not now, but here we are. Big pullback today from the 19150s, and now we're down to the 930s. Wow. This makes me want to think about, I am going to hit the course today. I'm going to go play 18 holes where we're playing tomorrow. This will be like my last practice round before we play. And I'm going to play, basically, I want to play again today. I'm going to play again, and I just I need to make sure that I understand and know where out of bounds is, where I cannot miss, and basically kind of the safe plays. Because I really think playing it safe is going to make sense tomorrow, rather than being aggressive. Just, especially the first round. Play it safe. Let's just not have any, like, quadruple bogeys. That's what we need to avoid. It would make sense to keep things moving along. Yeah, Matt. Yep, agreed. Even if you're foursome, if you ever watch someone in your group in front of you attempt to go back to replay from their tee. Yeah, I see what you mean. I see now what you mean. Yes, we are going to do a duck race today. Before I get off stream, don't let me forget. Celebration for getting approved payouts. Let's go. Not really a celebration for trading today because here we have not traded. We have literally not taken a trade yet today. Wah, wah, wah. And we might not. We might not trade today. I'm fine with that. I am fine with that. Hey, we're going to do a duck race. By the way, I didn't realize this, but in the duck race, there is a feature where if someone wins, you can eliminate the duck and you race again. So I was thinking, are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Oh, that would be too cruel, I feel like. It would be too cruel of punishment, but, you know, on my twisted self, I kind of want to do it. Oh, man. Need to find one where we can kill the duck mid-race. Hey, batting 500 on your trades today. Let's go. Oh, we're getting a bounce off the 940s here. Are we really just gonna have a slow downtrending day all day? I find that kind of hard to believe, but we might. Okay, we're definitely getting a little bit of a bounce here. Okay, I need. Give me a second here, guys. I'm trying to get some things locked in. Okay, here we go. Ripping it higher now. All right, this is the first time that we actually are testing the EMA. First time. This is the first really bullish look that we've had since our big move lower. If we pull back again and we fail to make new lows, then I can justify an entry. It's a little tricky, but what time is it now? It's 10:42, 40 minutes. All right. Hey, good morning, Trader's Chick. How we doing? Yeah, I wouldn't recommend. I would use Rebel Conto, Spider Monkey. You should get the new Callaway Apex clubs. Ooh, I saw those. I went with the. I was looking into those. Well, no, those just came. When did those come out, Matty Matt? I got the TaylorMade QI10 irons, is what I have, which I don't have a complaint. I don't have any complaints. 30-minute duck races. I don't know that I have the stamina for a 30-minute duck race. Oh, man. Okay, let's see. Are we really just going to rip this thing? No pullbacks? Just rip it straight up? Wouldn't be shocked. We are just going to make a move higher, huh? I mean, right here would be a short entry right here. 985s. This would be it if I was taking short trades, but I'm not. Struggling to get above the EMA here. You know what? You know what, guys? We are gonna. All right, guys. I'm gonna start it up. The duck race giveaway has started. I'm gonna have it 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes to get in! Exclamation mark Nutty. I want to get the duck race done. That way I don't forget. And because I might be booking it here in the next 15-20 minutes to get my golf in. I want to try to play maybe a round, maybe, I don't know, 27 holes, something like that. Get as much practice in today as I can. Okay, we are above the EMA now for the first time. Is this the V-shaped reversal move? Could be. It definitely could be. Feeling bullish. See if we get above this 1920. This 1920 was an area of resistance on getting down through it. So we might have another area of resistance going, you know, getting through it the other way. Yeah, this looks very bullish, man. I feel more confident going long now. Now I just need to see a nice pullback entry, and we might take a stab at this. Give us a nice pullback. Exclamation mark Nutty will be entered into the duck race. We might switch it up a little bit on the duck race. Here's what I've been thinking. The duck race, you can eliminate. So I was thinking we'll have 3 duck races and we'll do first place on each one is going to be the winners. Instead of doing 1 duck race and first, second, and third, we'll do 3 duck races of 2 minutes. Actually, maybe we'll do like 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then we'll do 3 duck races and first place for all 3. And we'll do an even $50 giveaway for each winner, if that makes sense. We will still choose 15 entrants. 15 entrants. We're getting close to this opening range low. That's always an interesting level at the 43s here. Man, I wouldn't mind seeing a pullback like to this 1910 area and take a stab at this long. If it lets it even get there. We got 4 minutes left in the give to be entered in the duck race. We got 4 minutes. Yeah, it's just gonna, this is one of those moves where we just get these little micro pullbacks. And I struggle trading that. All right, here we go. 1940s testing the opening range low. Let's see what happens. We're just going right through it. up through the 45s, 46s. Hey, Tazaki, thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. Also, oh, wow, look at that. We're at 11,700 subs. Let's go. Thanks for the sub, man. Appreciate that. We might have to do some epic duck races once we reach 12,000 subs. 12,000 subs, we'll have to do some epic duck races. Never before seen, never before done duck races. What a methodical move higher here. I am taking trades on my other accounts, but I'm not taking any on this one yet. Just waiting for a little nicer pullback. We also now have VWAP at the 64s, so see if that makes a difference. We're doing a giveaway. 1:43 43 seconds left to get entered. Exclamation mark Nutty, everything lowercase. And we continue to go higher. Just methodically moving higher. There we go. Up to the 60s, up to the VWAP. See if we just rip right through this. Very bullish. Man. All right. Oh, the giveaway is over, folks. Giveaway is over. Thank you, everyone that entered. And now we shall pick the names. Give me a second. Man, I'm kind of... All right, here we go. We are picking the names. Let me get the duck race up. Duck race game. Okay, here we go, folks. Here is the first. Oh, UCLA. I'm sorry, I can't manipulate it. It is. I'm sorry, man. You just missed it. I'm really sorry. All right, here we here we go. We are pick winner. Angel Q is the first participant in the duck race. There we go. Congrats and good luck. Next one is DF. DF. Next one is Crypto Crab. Let's go. That is a familiar name. Hey, let's go. R5 Studios. I love it. I love it. R5 Studio. Hang on one second, guys. All right, sorry about that, guys. The wife needed me right then and there. All right, R5 Studios, congrats. Okay, here we go. Aitken. Aitken is the next entrant. Here we go. And the next one is NP. NP, let's go. We got some OGs. We got some OGs in this race. Next is DYV. DYV. All right. Next one is John King. Oh, John. John, I thought you got in. Oh, no cigar. Next one is Josh R. Josh R. All right. Congrats and good luck. And the next one is Jack Wiley 1. Jack Wiley 1. Okay, now we got to get rid of 5 names so we can pick 5 more. All right, here we go. Pick winner. What is... I'm just going to call you Trading Outpost. Trading Outpost. The next one. And the next one is Kilo Man 191. Kilo Man 191. Next one is Stock Traders. Stock Trades. Sorry about that. Stock Trades. And the next one is going to be, look at that, Rosie Rose. Rosie Rose, you were already in the duck race, I believe. And this is the final name for the duck race. Are you ready? Are we ready? Here it is, Chris M. Chris M. All right, we are going, here we go. Let's bring this down here and let's bring the duck rate. Wow, look at this market. Jeez. I'm got a little bit of FOMO going on here, folks. Man, this is kind of interesting here. But we're right at the VWAP now. We could see, maybe we see a pullback here. I don't know. I'm going to wait a little bit, see if we can't get a pullback like to this 43 level. If we do, I might give this a shot. Put the duck race on pause for just a second. If this keeps going up, yeah, you know what? That thing's just, never mind. Never mind. It's just going to keep going. It'll keep going without me, I guess. All right, here we go, folks. Here we go. Let me hide this. All right, here we go. We're going to do 2 minutes. We're going to do 2-minute race. And so here's the thing. Here's how we're going to do the race. It's a 2-minute race. Did I get my payout approved, Trader Trade and Jazz? I did. Let's go. So 2-minute race, and we're going to do 3 races. Then first place for each race gets $50. All right. Oh, we need Cody. Oh, I don't think he's available, man. He's going to be sad. Okay, here we go. And the duck race is off. Oh, you need sound. Hang on. Here we go. NP and DVY out to a strong start. But again, we say this every time. You don't want to be too aggressive in the beginning. You want to pace yourself. R5 Studios, right in the middle of the pack, right where you want to be. We got Stock Trades. We got Chris M. We got Rosie Rose. We got John King bringing up the rear. Crypto Crob, DF, Angel Q. Josh R making a move here. Josh R putting on some speed. Stock Trades now making its move. Using a lot of energy here. See if Stock Trades can keep it up. We are only halfway through. We got 1 minute left, and Stock Trades, NP making a move, Trading Outpost. Crypto Crob is also looking very good. He's pacing himself. You know they've been in this race before. R5 Studios, I'm pulling for you. Chris M at the top. We got a neck and neck here. This is very close race. Very congested here in the beginning and the front. We're down to 35 seconds. Crypto Crob with a strong lead. Stock Traders. Here comes R5 Studios. R5 Studios is putting on his move. Angel Q is now the clown duck. The clown duck is making a move. We're down to 20 seconds. This is where it counts. You cannot let up now. R5 Studios, I need more out of you. Come on, R5 Studios. You just... Oh, what in the world was that? I'm so disappointed. Okay, here comes R5 Studios making a push. Is he going to do it? He did it. Let's go. And the winner is R5 Studios. Never a doubt. There was never a doubt. I thought he wasn't going to do it, but he did. He came out of nowhere at the end. He was reserving his energy. Oh, man, you almost had me there, R5 Studios. Nicely done. Okay, so now here's what we're going to do. We're going to remove... we're going to move the R5 Studios from the race. All right? And then we're going to race again. Are we ready? R5 Studios, please tell me that you're in here. Let's go. He's got the shades on. He chilling. All right, here we go. We're going to race again. R5 Studios was our first winner, and it was in great fashion. I couldn't help myself but cheer for R5. Now here we go again. 2-minute timer, and this is heat number 2. Here we go. And they're off. And they're off. Here we got Crypto Crob at the bottom. Is he going to learn from his previous mistakes? You got to pace yourself. You got to have a little in the tank at the end of the race. Hilo Man, this is George Washington the way it looks like. And he's putting on some speed in the beginning. We got Aitken, just a plain old yellow duck, making a move. Jack Wiley, the Santa Claus. And then we got Josh R. Ooh, here comes the clown duck. Angel Q making a move. This is a lot of speed in the beginning of the race. You know this is probably not going to hold out. Now we got Stock Trades. He's being aggressive. Do they have the stamina? You got to have the stamina. Rosie Rose is just chilling here right in the middle of the pack. These are the ones you got to watch for. Chris M, the red duck, he's making a move. Now we got DF and NP all out here in first place NP now taking a pretty commanding half-length lead. Now he's opened up his lead to a full length. There's 45 seconds left. Does he have the stamina? Here comes Rosie Rose. Rosie Rose is looking strong. She's looking real strong. Does she have the stamina? There's always a duck that falls down about at 20 seconds. We are down to 25 seconds. Watch for the speedsters. Here comes John King. He's making a move. We're down to 15 seconds. This is where it counts. Aitken is making a move. Aitken he's all by himself. Oh, here comes Angel Q. Angel Q making a push for the finish line. Can she do it? She did it. And the clown car. Take that, all you clown haters. The clown car is the winner. Clown car for the win. Congratulations, Angel Q. $50 coming your way. I will put my email. If you know my email already, just go ahead and send me the email already. Okay, here we go. We will now remove Angel Q and we will race heat number 3. This is the final heat. And they are off. Here we go. Who's your favorite? I feel like we've seen a pretty strong showing from Stock Trades. Stock Trades has been pretty. He's definitely shown some speed, but he's always put his speed on at the wrong time. So let's see if he learned from it. NP, Chris M, Crypto Crob. I'm pulling for you guys. Josh R. I haven't seen a lot of you. I need more out of you, Josh R. I need to see some speed. Let's go. Chris M. I'm not sure what's wrong with that duck. Maybe he's reserving his energy. Here we go. A very congested field. No one is really taking any kind of lead. Maybe everyone's trying to reserve their strength. Here we go. At a minute now. Still no commanding lead. Trading Outpost, Josh R. kind of holding up the line. We got Rosie Rose kind of in the middle of the pack. DYV is just way behind. John King now making a move. Aitken making a move. John King had a strong showing in the last race. Here comes Jack Wiley. Santa Claus making a push. We're coming down to the wire. We're at 40 seconds. Here's Crypto Crob, Stock Trades. Jack Wiley, the Santa Claus duck, is making a push. We're down to 30 seconds. This is where it counts. Chris M, Crypto Crob, I'm pulling for you. NP Crypto Crob, who's it going to be? Stock Trades is now making a push. Like we said, showed very strong potential. Can he do it? We're down to 12 seconds. And it's a two-way race. Crypto Crob and Jack Wiley. But hold on. Here comes Kilo Man. Here comes Josh R. Who's it going to be? Kilo Man for the win. Congratulations. George Washington just won a duck race. Put your hands together for George Washington. Kilo Man 191 came in the final heat with the win. Hang on. We got some banging on the door. You don't have my email? Okay, I'll put it in the chat. Did you want to watch the duck race? Yeah. Oh, man. Okay, we need to do one more. One more. Okay, we're going to do one more duck race? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now hang on. All right, we're just going to do another one for fun. All right, this one is just for fun, guys. Okay, now you have to pick which duck.
Purple.
The purple duck. Okay. I don't know, guys. He has been, I think, 3 for 3. He has been 3 for 3. He's picking the purple duck. Let's see if he's right again. Here they go, Cody. Oh, here they go. You say, go, purple duck. Go. Oh, now he's switching it. He wants the red. You don't want to win this race, by the way, because this is just for fun. Okay. Oh, look at John King putting on the speed. Oh, look at the purple duck. Here comes purple duck. Is he going to win? Uh-oh, he's slowing down. Uh-oh. Here's Chris M at the top. DF putting on a move. Here comes, oh no. Stop trades. The duck is not feeling good. I think, what happened? What happened? Look at the purple duck. Tell the purple duck to go faster.
Purple duck, go faster. Look at it, go faster.
Yeah, it's going faster. Hurry, hurry, hurry. It's 58 seconds. Go faster. He's going faster. Go, go. You can do it, purple duck. You can do it. Go, go, go. Oh, Chris M, the red ducks are looking good. Chris M, oh, NP. Oh, don't tell me, NP. You don't want to win this. Here we go. I can't miss. Yeah, he missed 3 duck races. Okay, go, purple duck, go. Go, go, go. You have to go faster. 18 seconds. Go, go, go. Go. Man, NP's just running away with this. Oh, go, trade. Go, purple duck, go.
Trade.
Go. Oh, no. Here comes Rosie Rose. Rosie Rose is going to win. Rosie Rose pulled it out of, came out of nowhere. Oh, man. Purple duck didn't win. Man. All right, bud. Was that fun? All right. Okay, now you have to go. Good job, Cody. Give me 5. All right. All right. Let me get you guys the email address. Oh, man. I don't have the stamina for more than 3 duck races. Okay, hang on. Let me get all this sorted. All right, I am putting my email. Okay, right there is my email for the 3 winners. The 3 winners, and send me an email. You can either take a screenshot of your YouTube channel, or I will verify that it's you with the 4-digit code. Either way works, and I will get that $50 to you ASAP. All right, market did make a nice pullback here, man. Woof. This was probably my only setup here, but it's all right. Market is just making these very nice slow moves higher. All right. John, you missed it. John, I thought for a split second I saw the name John and I thought you got in, but just unfortunately it didn't work. All right, hang on. What am I doing? Oh. Here we go. It's definitely rigged. It closed for a big loss, and now that trade would have been green. Oh, yeah. Did you get approved on my payouts? Yes, I did. Be better today. Payouts have been approved. Approved. Let's get it. we now have officially $76,000 in payouts for the year. Let's go. Hopefully. So I have taken some trades this morning on this move higher. We did definitely take advantage of that. So this is where we're sitting at currently. But I really need to push some of these accounts across the profit threshold and get some of these accounts to the pay so we can request a payout this payout period, or for the 15th, which would be tomorrow at midnight. How much of that is profit, like after my initial investment? I was looking into that. I think it's over 50, like 55. So it's, it's not, I'll take it. And I'm not saying I'm not happy, but I want more. I want more. I need more. Actually, no, that's a lie. I don't need more, but I would appreciate more. Let's go, R5 Studios. Okay, perfect. Are you allowed to trade in the martingale format in Apex, or is that not allowed? Martingale, as in adding to your losers? No, that is not allowed. You can basically add to a losing position one time, only one time. If Apex extended the sale, I do not know. I'm not. They haven't announced anything yet, or at least not that I saw. Someone can correct me if I'm wrong. Like if you lose one trade with one contract, so I guess if you lose one trade with one contract and then you get out and then you re-enter, yeah, if you get out and re-enter, then technically, yes. Technically, that is allowed. I mean, I can't see how that's going to work long term, but hey, you do you. All right, Angel Q, let's go. And you guys are getting better and better at doing these giveaways. You're sending me your PayPal email along with the verification email. Let's go. Yes, Angel Q, you are most welcome. And yeah, congratulations those that won. That was a lot of fun. And I'm sure we'll continue doing the duck races. I'm sure we will continue. All right, we have made it above the VWAP, and we're just kind of, I mean, we're stalling a little bit on, but we're still drifting higher. You got to think we're going to do one of those big red candles again at some point. It seems like that always happens. Okay. Um... Hey, you're most welcome, R5 Studios. I love seeing the OGs win the races, win the giveaways. I love to see it. Congratulations and thanks for the support. I appreciate it. But yeah, I am kind of curious to see what Apex is going to do tonight. Is they're going to just extend the sale again? Or are they going to roll out some kind of new promotion? Lately, what we've kind of seen Apex do, it's been a while since they've done a 90% sale. And to be honest, maybe this is a little selfish of me, but I don't really need I don't really need a 90% sale. I have kind of plenty of accounts, which that can always change in a hurry. But the 90% sales always cause so much issues with Rhythmic and everything that I kind of hope they don't do a 90% sale, but I don't know. I would love to see them do like some kind of promotion that includes the 50K account, like they did for the 150, 250, and 300, but we'll see. I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised if they just extend the sale again. You know, that's not going to be a shock. Yeah, Carolina, I kind of agree with that as well. They might keep extending this sale until they roll out their new rules and then do some kind of big promotion. I would just caution them on doing that because I really hope they don't roll out new rules and do a 90% sale, because there is no shot that Rhythmic is going to remain stable if they do that type of thing. Buy a 150K, get a 50K free. That would be hilarious. That would be kind of funny. We are just slowly moving higher. Man, oh man. Probably should be trading this more than I am. Yeah, that would be painful, Carolina, exactly. They'll keep extending until the SS trailing drawdown no longer needs fuel. You're still holding your long on ES? Let's go, UCLA. That's awesome. That's a nice trade. That is a nice trade. But yeah, supposedly the sale ends tonight at midnight. Supposedly. Cycling Grandpa, let's go. Cycling Grandpa with the $10. Thank you, man. Everybody show some love to Cycling Grandpa. Appreciate the $10. Just got approval from August 1st. Your stream was my inspiration to try multiple accounts. Your third 10K payout in a row. Let's all give a round of applause to Cycling Grandpa. He's killing it. Let's go. I appreciate that, Cycling Grandpa. That is awesome. That is awesome, man. Keep it up. Keep it up. Take those payouts. That's what we love to see. Take those payouts. Third 10K, man. That's awesome. That is awesome. Hey, trading is funny. All right. Let's hear it for Grandpa. That's right. Go ahead and trades. That's what I want to be doing as a grandpa. I want to be, I imagine my grandpa days are going to be me sitting in front of my computer and yelling at my computer screen and yelling, "Rip it," as the grandkids are running around. And the grandkids will start repeating. They'll go around to grandma and be like, "Daddy say, Grandpa's saying rip it again. Grandpa's saying rip it again." It's going to be me in my grandpa days. And then I'll be golfing. I'll be golfing the next, in the afternoons. Grandpa at the Wendy's dumpster. That is the other option. That is the other, possibility. We might also just be behind Wendy's at the dumpster. Let's hope that's not the case. That would be not as ideal. Hopefully the grandkids will not come visit me if I'm there. It is not a safe space. You're out of your long. Let's go, UCLA. Let's go. All right. All right, guys. Angel, did you get my email? Angel Q, if you're still in the chat, if you have any other form of payment, if I can try other forms of payment as well, Angel Q, if you're in here. Wow, this market is, oh man. The stories I would have to tell. But haven't used it in a long time. How do I find the account number? Okay. Yeah, if you just share your email that is linked to your PayPal, Angel Q, that's all I need. Just need your email that you know that's linked to that PayPal account. That's all I need. And one time, this guy donated $800 to me. Oh man. Or maybe I'll still be streaming it when I'm an old grandpa. I'll still be streaming and we'll still be hanging out. You know, hey, you never know. I wouldn't be mad. 30K payout approved, trip trades. Let's go. Today is the day. Today is the approval day for Apex. Must be they were on vacation for 2 weeks. The payout approval team was on vacation for 2 weeks and they just came back. And today's the day that everyone gets approved. What is this market? Really? Oh my, geez, look at this. We're just going straight up. No regard for human life. We're just going straight up. Oh. Really? I mean, I did have an entry right here. Like right here was my entry at the 70s, but unfortunately we were doing a duck race. Imagine. Well, we missed out on a nice trade because we were doing a duck race, but we got to have our priorities, right? Looks like a V. How odd. Very funny. It does have that kind of resemblance of a V-shaped reversal. I will give you that. Who would have thought? Who would have thought we would ever turn this and do a V-shaped move? Crazy. Yeah, go ahead and trades. Do you do duck races for a living? Yes, we need grandpa duck races in the year 2065. And then we'll talk about the good old days. And we'll be like, yeah, here, let me open up a video from 30 years ago, and this is the first duck race we ever did, and we're still doing it 30 years ago. Yeah, this was good times. Okay, thank you, Angel. I got it. Apex wants to see who blew their accounts, waiting for approval, Eric Yang. Yeah, sometimes I question that too, but I've questioned them about that, but supposedly, they're just overwhelmed. All right, Angel, I think we got it. All right, Angel, you should have the money. We'll send them maybe. Okay, this is a little different, but I'll share a link with you as well. Okay, guys, that I kind of have to go. I got to go and get another practice round in for my golf tournament tomorrow. I am very, very excited about if I can just make the cut. If I can just make the cut, we'll definitely do another duck race on Monday if I make the cut. Perfect, Angel Q. That's awesome. And all right, guys, I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to just do a quick. I'm going to show this because I literally am going to leave as soon as I end stream. And I don't know that I have time to do another recap video. I've been kind of slacking on my recap videos, but this is the recap. This is the recap video. We didn't take any trades on the streaming account. These are the accounts we traded today, and they're all green, and it's a great way to end the stream and not trade anymore. So no more trading today, and we shall continue. I doubt that I'm not going to be able to trade tomorrow or Friday, so we will see you guys on Monday. There is a slight, slim chance that I trade in the afternoon session, but very unlikely. So, all right, guys, I appreciate it. Cycling Grandpa, thanks again for the 10. And everyone else, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I hope you stay green, and I hope you stay green tomorrow and Friday. Take care. Thank you, D. Take care, and God bless.